Europe, a continent brimming with history, culture, and natural wonders that take your breath away. From the icy peaks of the Alps to the sun-drenched shores of the Mediterranean, this landmass offers a tapestry of landscapes as diverse as its people. Today we embark on a journey to uncover some of Europe's most awe-inspiring natural treasures, places where the Earth's raw beauty takes center stage. Imagine standing on a precipice, the wind whipping through your hair as you gaze out over a fjord carved by glaciers millennia ago. Or picture yourself hiking through a lush, ancient forest, sunlight dappling the forest floor, the air alive with the sound of birdsong. These are the experiences that await us. So join me, fellow travelers and nature enthusiasts, as we delve into the heart of Europe's wilderness. Let us capture the spirit of adventure, the thrill of discovery, and the profound sense of wonder that these incredible natural wonders inspire.
Our journey begins in the land of the midnight sun, Norway, home to the iconic fjords. These deep, narrow inlets of the sea, carved by ancient glaciers, are a testament to the immense power of nature. Picture yourself aboard a small boat, gliding silently through the still waters of Geirangerfjord. Towering cliffs, cloaked in emerald green foliage, rise up on either side, their sheer faces plunging dramatically into the crystal-clear depths below. Waterfalls cascade from dizzying heights, their thunderous roar echoing across the water. Look closely, and you might spot a family of seals basking on the rocks, or a white-tailed eagle soaring effortlessly overhead. These fjords are not merely beautiful, they are places of immense scale. Some plunge to depths of over 1,000 meters, their depths hiding mysteries yet to be fully explored. The unique geology of the region, shaped by the relentless forces of ice and time, has created a landscape unlike any other on Earth. For those seeking a true adventure, the hike to Trolltunga, or Troll's Tongue, is an experience not to be missed. This iconic rock formation juts out dramatically over the abyss, offering unparalleled views of the surrounding fjords and mountains. Standing on the edge, the wind whipping at your face, you'll feel a sense of awe and exhilaration as you take in the sheer scale and majesty of the Norwegian wilderness. It's a view that will stay with you long after you've left this magical land. The fjords of Norway are a testament to the power of nature to inspire and humble us. They are a place where one can truly connect with the raw beauty of the natural world and experience a sense of peace and tranquility that is hard to find elsewhere. As we leave the fjords behind, let us carry with us the memory of their serene beauty, the echo of their waterfalls, and the sense of awe that they inspired in us. For in the grand tapestry of Europe's natural wonders, the fjords of Norway hold a place of undeniable splendor.
From the dramatic fjords of Norway, we journey south to Plitvice Lakes, Croatia, a place where cascading waterfalls and turquoise lakes create a symphony of sound and color. Welcome to Plitvice Lakes National Park, 16 interconnected lakes, a fairy tale setting come to life. The turquoise water gets its hue from limestone minerals. Wander along wooden walkways, enveloped by nature. The air is alive with rushing water, birds, and rustling leaves. Sunlight filters through the canopy, casting dancing patterns. Each lake and waterfall has its own unique character. Lose yourself in the beauty of Plitvice Lakes. Cherish and protect these precious ecosystems.
Chapter 3. Our journey now takes us north to the land of fire and ice, Iceland. Here, beneath the vast expanse of the Arctic sky, a celestial ballet unfolds, a spectacle that has captivated humankind for millennia. This is the Aurora Borealis, or Northern Lights, a breathtaking display of nature's artistry. Imagine standing on a desolate lava field, the air crisp and cold, the stars twinkling above. As darkness descends, a faint glow appears on the horizon, gradually intensifying into a shimmering curtain of light. Green, purple, and pink hues dance across the sky, their ethereal glow illuminating the landscape below. This celestial ballet is caused by charged particles from the sun colliding with atoms in the Earth's atmosphere. As these particles interact, they release energy in the form of light, creating the mesmerizing patterns of the aurora. The northern lights are a fickle phenomenon, their appearance influenced by solar activity and weather conditions. But on a clear night, far from the city lights, the sky becomes a canvas for nature's most awe-inspiring light show. To witness the aurora borealis is to experience a sense of wonder and insignificance in the face of the universe's vastness. It's a reminder that we are part of something much greater than ourselves, connected to the cosmos in ways we are only beginning to understand. As the northern lights fade into the night, leaving behind a sky full of stars, we are left with a sense of awe and gratitude for the opportunity to witness this celestial spectacle. It's a memory that will stay with us, a reminder of the beauty and mystery that lie beyond our everyday experience.
Chapter 4. From the celestial wonders of Iceland, we journey to the rugged coast of Northern Ireland, to a place where legend and geology collide. Here, on the edge of the Atlantic Ocean, lies the Giant's Causeway, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that seems to defy explanation. Imagine a landscape of over 40,000 interlocking basalt columns, their hexagonal shapes fitting together like pieces of a giant puzzle. These columns, some reaching heights of up to 12 meters, were formed by volcanic activity over 60 million years ago. As molten lava cooled and contracted, it cracked into these distinctive hexagonal patterns, creating a geological marvel that has captivated visitors for centuries. The columns, worn smooth by the relentless pounding of the waves, stretch out like stepping stones towards the horizon, inviting you to explore their secrets. Legend has it that the Giant's Causeway was built by the Irish giant Finn McCool as a way to reach his Scottish rival, Benandonner. Whether you believe the legend or prefer the scientific explanation, there's no denying the sense of awe and wonder that this place evokes. Walk among the columns, feel the cool, damp air on your skin, and listen to the crashing waves. Let your imagination run wild as you contemplate the forces that shape this extraordinary landscape. The Giant's Causeway is a testament to the power of nature to create beauty and intrigue in equal measure. It's a place where science and imagination intertwine, where the past whispers to the present, and where every visitor can create their own story. As we leave the Giant's Causeway behind, let us carry with us the memory of its unique beauty, the echo of the waves crashing against its ancient stones, and the sense of wonder that it inspired in us. For in the grand tapestry of Europe's natural wonders, the Giant's Causeway holds a place of undeniable magic.
Chapter 5. Our final destination takes us to the heart of Europe, to a land of soaring peaks, verdant valleys, and pristine lakes. This is the Swiss Alps, a mountain range that has captivated artists, poets, and adventurers for centuries. Imagine standing amidst a panorama of snow-capped peaks, their jagged summits piercing the azure sky. The air is crisp and clean, carrying the scent of pine and wildflowers. Below, emerald green valleys stretch out like a patchwork quilt, dotted with picturesque villages and sparkling lakes. The Swiss Alps are a paradise for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're an experienced mountaineer or simply enjoy a leisurely stroll through alpine meadows, there's something here for everyone. Take a cable car to the summit of the Matterhorn, one of the most iconic mountains in the world, and marvel at the breathtaking views. Hike through flower-filled meadows, their slopes alive with the sound of cowbells and the chirping of birds. Or simply relax by the shores of Lake Geneva, its crystal-clear waters reflecting the surrounding peaks. In winter, the Alps transform into a winter wonderland, their slopes blanketed in pristine snow. Ski down world-class slopes, breathe in the invigorating mountain air, and warm up with a cup of hot chocolate in a cozy chalet. The Swiss Alps are a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and reconnect with nature's tranquility. They are a reminder that there is beauty to be found in simplicity, in the quiet moments, and in the grand gestures of the natural world. As our journey through Europe's natural wonders comes to an end, let us carry with us the memories of the breathtaking landscapes we've witnessed, the sounds of nature's symphony, and the sense of awe and inspiration that these places have evoked within us.
Europe's natural wonders are more than just destinations. They are gateways to unforgettable experiences. They are places where you can reconnect with nature, challenge yourself, and create memories that will last a lifetime. So, which of these incredible destinations will you explore first? Will you lose yourself in the serene beauty of the Norwegian fjords, marvel at the cascading waterfalls of Plitvice lakes, or witness the celestial dance of the northern lights in Iceland? The choice is yours. But no matter where your adventures take you, remember to embrace the spirit of discovery.